Hi boys and girls! Welcome to What is This? Where we guess and learn new words on different subjects. And today we will talk about...
Sea animals.
No, today we will talk about different animals. It will be special. Let's see who we will try to guess first. You see, it's very, very special. Many different animals to guess. You see? Let's try.
What is this?
What is this?
Is that?
What do you think?
I think a leopard.
It's not a cat. It's a special cat, but it's not a cat. What do you think? Maybe it is a sea turtle? No, that's not a sea turtle. Is that a... Who's that? Bee! B-E-E.
Bee.
Spell it.
B-E-E.
That's right. Bee. Yay!
They have
Correct.
so many eyes.
How many eyes they have?
5,
5. That's right. And how
No.
many legs they have?
6.
And what they like to do?
Eat honey to get that out for the
Yes,
king.
they making honey. They flying around. They working so much. They making
And
honey.
they are giving honey
Yeah.
to the king.
And the boys, they don't have a stinger, and they call drones. Okay, guys, let's try to guess our next animal. What will it be?
What is this?
Is that a dog?
Is it a
No.
dog? No. Is that a... That's interesting. A bee? No, that's not a bee. No. Is that a...
Cat?
Yay!
Cat.
How you spell it?
C-A-T.
C-A-T. That's right. C-A-T. Cat. How do they talk?
Meow.
Meow. That's right. And when they happy, what they say?
Purr.
Purr, 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 purr,
But when they get paid that, then they say that also.
Meow, meow, meow.
They say that also
You know,
to
they
get away
are the
the worms.
most popular pet in the world because they are so cute and they're so playful and they love their owners.
Dark, then they are angry.
Yeah, that's
when
right.
it's
They
dark.
see extremely good at night. Okay, guys, let's try to guess our next animal. What is this?
What is this?
That's interesting. What is that?
I know.
Is that a bee? No, that's not a bee. That's right. No. Is that a
Chicken? Chicken? No.
That's not a chicken. No, not a cock-a-doodle. No.
Clownfish.
That's right. That's a
Fish.
F-I-S-H. Fish. That's right. This is a special one. This is called clownfish. And what color it has?
Black, white,
And orange.
orange.
That's right. And
And
they,
that one is
yeah. And when the a girl lay the eggs, the boy always take care of them. And when the little fish is coming out, they are very, very popular among the old. Yes.
You know what? Boy, clownfishes can be.
We have to guess the next animal. Oh, what is this?
What is this?
Is that a peacock?
No.
Is that a peacock?
Wait. Is that a fish?
Clownfish?
No, that's not a fish.
Clownfish.
No.
not clownfish.
Yeah, no. Is that a
Bee?
bee? No.
No, not that wasp. No.
Is that a
Chicken?
chicken? Yay!
Chicken.
Chicken. That's
It
right.
spells C-H-I-C-K-E-N.
That's right. It's a very long word. Chicken. It's you see, there's the hen. She's sitting there. What's she doing?
She's warming up the baby eggs.
No, she laying the egg. You
Yeah,
see,
I Deer.
Yay!
That is a chicken.
Okay, let's try to guess another animal. What is this?
What is this?
Is there a... What can it be? Fish.
Fish.
No, that's not a fish. Is there a bee?
No.
No, that's not a bee. Is there a
Dog.
Yay!
Dog.
Dog.
Dog. You know what kind of this dog? This is a Dalmatian.
black.
It's white with the black spots. That's right. It's a special type. And when they are newborns, they born white. And when they grow up, they start to get
This is
spots.
our new dog.
Yeah, the dogs. They're the puppies. They love to play so much.
Let's see them. Let's see our dog.
No.
Let's see.
Yeah, it's a best friend of the human because they love humans. They're the best friends to us. Okay, guys, let's try to guess our next animal. What will it be? What is this?
What is this?
Let's see. Is there a dog? No. Is that a cat? No. It's not a cat. Is that a
sea turtle?
That's right.
Turtle. It can live up to 100 years. Many years. Right?
Some turtles can live for 3,000 years.
No, only 100 years.
I don't.
They call them also as, sea movers.
You know, some turtles can also live for 150 years.
Yeah. And they think that jellyfish are delicious. Yeah? You see, they like to cruise around the grass. They like to eat it.
No, they love to
Yeah,
they
that
love
was
to
it for
eat
today,
that.
guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below and like. Bye!